The human body is not just a vessel. It's a living, sensing instrument, constantly communicating with the world and with itself. At the center of this communication network is the nervous system. It spans your entire body, connecting brain, organs, muscles, and skin in a dynamic web of awareness. Every breath you take, every sensation you feel, every decision you make, your nervous system is there, processing, interpreting, responding. We often think of the nervous system in two parts: the central nervous system, composed of the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which extends throughout the body. But there's a deeper intelligence at play, particularly in the autonomic nervous system, which governs functions like heart rate, digestion, and respiration without our conscious control. Within the autonomic nervous system, there are two main branches: the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. You might recognize these as the stress response and the rest response. The sympathetic system prepares us for action, fight or flight, while the parasympathetic system returns us to calm and recovery. This elegant dance between arousal and restoration governs much of how we feel in daily life. And yet, most of us are only dimly aware of its influence. So, what happens when we start to tune in, when we shift from ignoring the body to befriending it? We begin to notice the subtle cues: a tightening in the chest, a flutter in the gut, a softening when we feel safe. These sensations are data, signposts guiding us towards balance. Body awareness is the practice of listening to the body's signals without judgment. This might sound simple, but it is revolutionary in a world that often glorifies disconnection, pushing through exhaustion, numbing discomfort, outsourcing our needs to algorithms and alerts. By learning to attune to our bodies, we regain agency. We make choices not just from logic, but from embodied knowing. We recognize when we're overwhelmed before we snap. We sense when we're grounded before making a big decision. We become better at regulating emotion, at discerning intuition from impulse. Practices like somatic scanning, breathwork, and gentle movement can help retain our awareness. Over time, they strengthen the communication between body and brain, reawakening a sense of inner coherence. And that coherence has ripple effects. When we're more attuned to ourselves, we're better attuned to others. Compassion starts with sensing. Presence starts with inhabiting. This is not about mastering the body. It's about partnering with it, allowing the nervous system to become an ally in our pursuit of clarity, resilience, and peace. Take a moment now. Notice your breath. Scan for tension. What is your body saying? What would it mean to listen? When we listen to the body, we listen to life itself. And in doing so, we return to the present, not just with our minds, but with our whole being.